Hello and welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is part 2 of class 4 IMO paper 2014 set A. So learn how to solve the questions with all the tips and tricks, and for more such videos you can subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Shonali started playing the piano at 14:45. She played for 45 minutes before starting her homework. If Shonali finished doing her homework at 5:30 p.m., how long did she take to finish her homework? So there are four parts of this question. First part, Shonali started playing the piano at 14:45. Now 14:45 is 2:45. See the clock. After 12, 1 is 13, 2 is 14, 3 is 15. So 14:45 will be 2:45 p.m. Now second part, she played for 45 minutes before starting her homework. So from here it is clear that after playing the piano 45 minutes she started doing her homework. Now from third part, Shonali finished doing her homework at 5:30 p.m. So finished time is 5:30 p.m. Now fourth part, how long did she take to finish her homework? So for that we should know when she started doing the homework. So see the fifth part, she started doing homework at 2:45 p.m. plus 45 minutes, which is equals to 3:30 p.m. So time she took to finish her homework is equal to time she finished the homework minus time she started the homework. So time she finished is 5:30 and time she started is 3:30. So we subtract and we get 2 hours. So total time she took is 2 hours to finish the homework. Question 22. There were 160 balls in a box. 50 of the balls were red. There were 5 more red balls than green balls. The rest of the balls were blue. How many blue balls were there? Now see the 5 parts of the question. First part, there were 160 balls in a box, means total balls in the box is equals to 160. Second part, 50 of the balls were red, means red balls equals to 50. Now third part, there were 5 more red balls than green balls. So that means green balls equals to 50 minus 5 equals to 45. Now fourth, rest of the balls were blue. Fifth part, how many blue balls were there? Now from these 5 parts it is clear that total balls in the box is 160 and 3 types of balls are there, red, green and blue. Now number of red balls is given 50. Green balls is 50 minus 5 equals to 45 and blue balls is not given, so we have to calculate how many blue balls are there. Now blue balls equals to total balls minus red balls plus green balls. So total balls is 160 minus red balls 50 and green balls 45. So 160 minus 50 plus 45 equals to 160 minus 95 equals to 65. So 65 blue balls were there in the box. Question 23. There are 5 is to 1 by 4 meter red cloth in the shop and 2 is to 2 by 3 meter red cloth is sold. How much cloth is left? Now, in order to calculate how much cloth is left, we have to subtract the 2 is to 2 by 3 from 5 is to 1 by 4 meter red cloth. So 5 is to 1 by 4. This is a mixed fraction where we have solved it and we get 21 by 4 meter, and 2 is to 2 by 3 is again a mixed fraction. We have solved it and we get 8 by 3 meter. Now we'll subtract these two to get the cloth left. So 21 by 4 m minus 8 by 3 meter. Now solve this by taking the LCM 12 and we get the solution as 31 by 12 meter, which is equals to 2 is to 7 by 12 meter. So correct option is D. On Friday, 6,759 people watched the football match. On Saturday, the attendance was 8,513 and on Sunday the attendance was 9876. How many people in all watched the match on 3 days? Now to get how many people watched the match on 3 days, we have to add the number of people watched on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So 6759 plus 8513 plus 9876 equals to 25148. So total number of people watched the match on 3 days is 25148. Correct option is B. Two candidates contested an election. 83,457 votes were polled in all. 49,682 votes were polled in favor of one candidate and 2,974 votes were found invalid. How many votes were polled in favor of the other candidate? Now see the chart. Total votes are 83,457. Now these total votes should be the sum of the votes polled in favor of first candidate plus invalid votes plus the votes polled in favor of second candidate. So total votes are the sum of votes for first candidate, votes for second candidate and invalid votes. Now total votes has given 83,457. This is equation 1. Now votes polled in favor of one candidate is 49,682, equation 2, and invalid votes are 2,974. This is equation 3. Now to get votes polled in favor of second candidate, subtract equation 2 and 3 from equation 1. So now votes polled in favor of second candidate equals to 83,457, which is total number of votes, minus 49,682, this is first candidate votes, plus 2,974, this is invalid votes. So we get 83,457 minus 52,656, which is equals to 30,801. So these are the number of votes polled in favor of second candidate. Question 26. Each day 31 airplanes depart from an airport. If same number of planes depart on each day, then how many planes depart in a year? 365 days. So each day 31 airplanes depart and same number of airplanes depart on each day. How many planes depart in a year? That is 365 days. So number of airplanes depart in one day is equals to 31. Now number of airplanes depart in 365 days will be 31 into 365, that is 11,315. The book storekeeper orders 25 books of mathematics for rupees 90 each and 32 books of Hindi for rupees 80 each. How much does he have to pay in all? Now 25 books of mathematics for rupees 90 each means cost of one book is rupees 90 and we have to calculate cost of 25 books. Now cost of 25 books is equals to 25 into 90 equals to 2250. Now 32 books of Hindi for rupees 80 each means cost of one book is rupees 80 and we have to calculate cost of 32 books. Now cost of 32 books is equals to 32 into 80, which is equals to 2560. Now total he paid 2250 plus 2560 is equals to rupees 4810 in all. Question 28. Sneha has 4 meter 30 centimeter of cloth. If she needs only 2 meter 70 centimeter of cloth to make a dress, then how much cloth will remain after making the dress? Now Sneha has 4 meters 30 centimeter of cloth and she needs 2 meters 70 centimeter of cloth. So cloth remain after making the dress will be 4 meter 30 centimeter minus 2 meter 70 centimeter, which is equals to 1 meter 60 centimeter. Question 29. A train leaves Delhi at 11 a.m. and reaches Ambala at 2:20 p.m. How long is the journey? Now see the table given in the solution. So from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. 1 hour, 12 to 1 p.m. is 1 hour again, and 1 to 2 p.m. is 1 hour again, and 2 to 2:20 p.m. is 20 minutes. So if we add these timings, total we get 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 20 minutes equals to 3 hour 20 minutes. So this is the journey time. Neha spent her holidays of 6 weeks, 2 days in Kerala, Jaipur and Goa altogether. She stayed in Kerala for 1 week, 3 days, and in Jaipur for 2 weeks, 6 days. How much time did she spend in Goa? Now Neha spent her holiday of 6 weeks, 2 days in Kerala, Jaipur and Goa altogether. Now she stayed in Kerala for 1 week, 3 days, and she stayed in Jaipur for 2 weeks, 6 days. So total time she stayed in Kerala and Jaipur is 3 weeks, 9 days, or 4 weeks, 2 days. Now time she spent in Goa will be 6 weeks, 2 days minus 4 weeks, 2 days is equals to 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.